Hi, welcome to CyberLabs. In today's episode, we're exploring the world of cybersecurity through the eyes of an ethical hacker. We'll be performing two controlled experiments. First, we'll see how brute force attacks can compromise weak login portals using Hydra. And second, we'll demonstrate how password-protected zip files can be cracked. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only. All demonstrations are performed on my local, controlled environment. Unauthorized access is illegal. Use this knowledge only to secure your own systems. Let's start with an attack on a login portal. The website you see here is hosted on my local server. I created it solely to demonstrate how a website can be brute forced. Hydra is a tool that comes pre-installed in Kali Linux. I will run this command on it. It will search through the provided dictionaries for a username and password and will find them if they exist within those lists. Command is hydra-l user.txt-p pass.txt 127.0.0.1 https postform/login.php equals user pass s equals access granted ! -L, this is for the username. It will search for the username. -p, this points to our word list, which is a file containing millions of potential passwords. 127.0.0.1, this is our target IP. https postform, this tells Hydra we are targeting an HTML login form. S equals access granted, this parameter tells Hydra to look for the phrase access granted in the server's response to identify a successful login attempt. See how fast it moves? If your password is in that list, it's only a matter of time before the system is compromised. This is exactly why strong, unique passwords and rate limiting are vital. Part 2, cracking zip files with John the Ripper. Now, let's move to file security. What happens when you password protect a file? Is it truly secure? We'll use a tool called John the Ripper. We don't crack the zip file directly. First, we extract the hash of the file. A hash is like a digital fingerprint. We use the command zip2john cyber.zip hash.txt. Host, once we have the hash, we unleash John. John cyber.txt-w passwords.txt. Once it does, you can retrieve the password easily. The takeaway here is that if you are protecting sensitive data, avoid dictionary words, birthdays, or common phrases. A complex random password turns a 5-second crack into a task that would take a computer centuries to complete. See you in the next video.